So today we are here at One Ride 2021 with Royal Enfield.
We pledge to leave every place better, cleaner, and safer.
Wherever the riders go, people get inspired. So it is very important for a rider to lead the people with their actions.
You should go out and ride at beautiful places. Make sure that you clean the place and then you enjoy. That's what sustainability is all about.
I always make sure that I don't litter on the road while I'm riding, so I keep an extra bag with me.
We are playing a game which is a stump game which will tell people the different categories of waste.
I think it's a great thing that not only did we ride together, but we also made sure that we are leaving the place very clean.